Welcome to this grammar workshop with Get Academy Online. In this workshop, we are going to learn how to use first additional grammar. So, in our live workshop, remember to listen to the teacher, keep your microphone off, write in the chat box, and take notes. This is our recording, but please join us for a live workshop next time. If you want, write comments in the comment section and take notes. So, where are you from and how is the weather today? Look outside. How is the weather? So, I'm from South Africa. And now I am in Cape Town on holiday. Where is Cape Town? Look on the map. Can you see it? So, Cape Town is a really cool city. I think it is one of the best cities in the world. And I have been to many, many cities. You can do lots of things in Cape Town. You can take the cable car to the top of the mountain. You can take pictures of the beautiful view, and you can take a drive along the beautiful coast. You can see the penguins on the beach, or you can relax on the beach, or you can relax on the beach with the penguins. You can ride the Ferris wheel too. You can try the local food, explore the city, and visit museums and go sightseeing. So there is lots that you can do in Cape Town. Let's watch a video of the weather in Cape Town today. I'd like you to comment. How is the weather in Cape Town? Oh no, the weather is crazy. It's very, very windy. And the sea is crazy. It's also very rainy. I can't go to the beach. Look how crazy. Oh no. The weather is mad. So, if it rains all week, what will I do? Well, if it rains tomorrow, I go to the beach. I won't go to the beach. If it is windy, I I won't take the cable car to the top of the mountain. No way. If it is cold and rainy on the weekend, I I will go to a warm and interesting museum. But if it is hot and sunny on the weekend, I will go to the beach. I will stay indoors if it rains all week. So these sentences use first conditional. This is where we make our next decision based on the information we have. So if it rains tomorrow, this is a possibility. It can rain tomorrow. So, if it rains, I won't go to the beach. So, if this happens, the next thing will or won't happen. So, what is the structure of a first conditional sentence? We use if and then one part and then comma and next part. Will, won't, present simple, and infinitive form. Where do these go? Do we say if plus will plus present simple? I don't think so. We use if plus present simple. These go together. So if it rains tomorrow, if it is windy tomorrow, if it is hot and sunny. Then in the next part, we use will or won't plus infinitive form. Eat, sing, take, stay, go. So if it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. We also, so you can say if plus present simple, and will and won't plus infinitive form is like future simple. This is easier to remember. So if plus present simple plus future simple. And then you won't make a big mistake mixing the words up. So there are some big mistakes that students make. I see it all the time. So big mistake number one, using will and if on the same side. You can't. If plus present simple, one side. And then future simple, which is will, on the other side. You cannot use if and will on the same side. No, this is a big mistake. So always make sure that your if and will are separate. Big mistake number two, using to with your verbs. For example, if it rains, I will to stay at home. We never use to. It's I will stay, I will eat, I will sleep, I will go. Never use to. And big mistake number three, not understanding what I'll, he'll, she'll means. So I will, he will, she will, we will, they will. It's just made shorter, put together. The same as with will not. Will not means won't. It's also made a bit shorter. Let's practice. So, if I wake up early, write in the comments, what do you think the answer is? I will go for a walk. Number two, if I wake up late, I won't go for a walk and I will miss my bus to school. And the last one, this one is a little bit more difficult. If I have a lot of homework on Friday, I won't go to the party. I can't. I have too much homework. Okay, well done. So let's speak and practice. If you have good weather this weekend, what will you do? Tell us in the comments below. If you have bad weather this weekend, what will you do? So now you can understand first conditional. You can use first conditional and practice. You can talk about Cape Town, South Africa. So, did you like this workshop? Write in the comments below. Choose your emoji. And what grammar do you want to practice next time? Do you want to practice second conditional, perfect, or modal verbs? If you want us to send you some more practice, tell us in the comments below and we will send it to you. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.